Okay, I have 0 battery life on this bad boy, but this is my pesky furnace. Up it goes. I don't really see where my filter goes at all. You go in here, you look around, you got the blower in the back. Got some circuit boards here. Got a light that lights up now and then. There's the trigger. Here's down below. And pretty much my burners don't activate. Oh, who the hell is that? My burners don't activate when I launch this, so let's do it. Click it on. Wait, turn it on. Got some noise. Hear it blowing. That's what I'm trying to see. Not much going on. I don't smell any gas. And it shuts off. So it tried to do something and it turned off. I don't see any flashing lights or anything down here. Just a gas exchange valve. And then back up here. And yeah, that's about it. Not very interesting.